So many withdrawals was made last week, and this was confirmed from you and I. We actually saw the way we're able to quantify and actually withdraw from the last previous platform I showed us last week. Now this week we have a new quantitative platform which you only have to quantify, and you have to generate income for yourself every single day, and you'll be placing withdrawal rights on this platform. I actually shared my experience on how this platform works and how you can start up with this platform. Now this week we are starting with this particular quantitative platform. So all I ask from you right now is to please stay tuned, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. When you look at my account right now, you can see that I have 3 USDT on my account, and right now what I'm going to do is to place a live withdrawal before explaining how I was able to get this $3 right on my account. And so right here you can actually see that the two ways you can make withdrawals is using your BEP20 USD or the TRC 20 USD. So right now what I'm going to do is to come over to where it says withdrawal address, and I'm going to insert my BEP20 wallet address right here, and I'm going to click on all instead of typing 3. I'm going to click on all just to withdraw the total assets I have on my account. Now what I'm going to do next is to come down under security password and put in my security password which I set while creating my account. So once I'm done with this, the next thing I want to do is to come down and click on confirm. But before doing that, you can actually see that there is no handling fee on this platform. I'll be getting the actual arrival of my 3 USDT. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, I'm just going to be placing a live withdrawal. As you can see, this withdrawal was a success, and I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof before going ahead to show you the things you need to know about this particular platform. This is the withdrawal proof gotten from this platform. As you can see, the exact dates I got the 3 USD straight to my Bybit account. Now the name of this platform is called Phonix. To set up an account for yourself, you can register using your email or your mobile number. Just go ahead to input your details right here and input the correct details of yourself, then come right here and click on register. Then your account will be created right on this platform. Now when you sign up on this platform, this is how the interface is going to look like. You can actually see the options right here. Now if you want to get additional income for yourself on your account, you can actually say where it says tax center. Now under this tax center, you can invite individuals and you get some extra income for yourself. And so right now on my account, you can actually see that the mining speed I am on is the one of 15 USDT. That is the first VIP right on this platform. So what you have to do right now is to purchase any of this VIP, and they are going to be increasing your mining speed on your account. So once you are able to get to the end of this, you just have to come right here and claim your reward. Okay, so once that is done, the next thing you want to do right on your account is to place withdrawals right on your account. So these are the VIPs right on this platform. You just have to recharge your account, and once your account is recharged, the next thing you want to do is just for you to start mining according to what you have actually recharged your account with. Now to recharge your account, all you have to do right here is to click this first button that says recharge. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you can actually use these 4 networks to recharge your account. Now if you're new to Bybit, this is very simple. Just select any of the network you want to use to recharge your account. Here we have the BEP20 USDT, the TRX, the TRC 20 USDT, the BNB. So these networks are fine if you actually want to go with any of them. Just click on it and it's going to bring you over to an interface, and you can actually see an instructions right here which you can follow to copy your wallet address. Just go ahead to copy this wallet address, then go back to your preferred account and transfer the exact fund you want to use to fund your account. So once you actually funded your account, it's going to reflect on your dashboard right here. So once you actually have this on your dashboard, the next thing you want to do right is to come down to where it says VIP. Then you can go ahead to select any of these VIPs right on this platform. Note that you can actually mine on this platform for totally free, and actually your mining speed will be very slow. Now the advice I will give to you is to purchase any of these VIP just to boost your mining speed so as for you to withdraw every 24 hours and get your daily income right on this platform. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing that you have the recharge, the withdrawal, the financial record, transfer, and team. So right now, when you come down to team, you can actually see that you can go ahead affiliating this particular platform, and you're going to be getting income for yourself when anyone uses your links right on this platform. So that is all about this platform. You can use the link below the pinned comment of this video, set up an account for yourself, and start leveraging more to start mining and earning every single day with this platform. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video, and keep winning.